got tired of putting my equipment up on my windshield, so I purchased this Bulletpoint mounting kit. I'm going to install that today right there. All right, so I'm going to take this little plastic doohickey out, and then I'm going to remove those 2 bolts. Maybe clean that up a little bit. All right, these are T15s. All right, so those are out, and this is the piece that will go right here and screws into these existing holes with the existing screws. Just got to take this tape off. I'm going to get that set up. And just screw them in. That's it. And then I will link these parts that I got, because they sell a piece for the TST tire pressure monitor system, but not for my reverse camera. So I kind of put that together. I'll show you in one sec. This is the piece that I bought for the TST. I just want to make sure it works before yeah, that's going to be great. So we got that one complete there. You can adjust it wherever we want it. Right now I'm just testing to make sure it works. And then I'm going to adjust this one, put some parts on it, and I'll be back. So I bought this little 20 millimeter by 20 millimeter ball. This hopefully is going to work for the backup camera for the RV. All right, that worked out real good for the backup camera. So you can see back here, I just used the existing mount hole on the camera, backup camera monitor thing, and then right into the mount. All right, you can see you can adjust these however you want. My phone would normally be there, so I'll play with that one. We're not going on a trip anytime soon. And then there's your backup camera. This is a Voyager that came with the Airstream, and I have another spot here for another item. I don't know what yet. I just wanted to get these off the windshield. Now I can take this guy off. Happy days. And yeah, that does it for the Bulletpoint Mounting Solution. Thanks. Yeah, one more thing. This is called an F key, and it's used to lock down the these screw points. You can really get good leverage with it. I bought that extra because nowhere did I see that it came with one, but it does indeed come with one. So don't buy an extra key if you don't need it. That's it. Thanks.